Hey everybody, I'm Ryan with WiiM, and today we're at Audio Advice Live showing off the WiiM Soundbar. This is called the WiiM Bar. It's a Dolby Atmos enabled 3.0.2 soundbar. It can be upgraded to a 5.1.2 soundbar with a wireless subwoofer and wireless surround sound speakers. The WiiM soundbar has 3 drivers for tweeters, woofers in the front, and 2 upward firing drivers on the top. It's got 4 passive radiators, and it adds a nice bass line to the living room, but you can always upgrade it with a subwoofer for a really big experience. On its own, it's going to be able to play all of the standard streaming services, Spotify Connect, Tidal Connect, Qobuz Connect. It's got YouTube music, and that includes Chromecast audio, and it has a Bluetooth at a bare minimum, but HDMI eARC is going to get you your best experience through the HDMI connection from the TV, where you can get your Dolby Atmos. WiiM system has streamers and amplifiers and speakers. You can mix and match them, do multi-room throughout the home. You can set up the 5.1 with pretty much all of our WiiM devices, and you can really customize and play around with it. All of our speakers have an AI-based room correction called RoomFit. They've got a full 10-band parametric EQ or a basic graphic EQ with standard equalization functions. Anything with a screen has a touch screen. You can turn screens off if you want, or you can adjust the screen to show custom pictures, or use them to access your presets, which are all configurable in our app. And to find out more, you can go to wiimhome.com.